welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So today I decided to create a very autumnal sort of graduation simple slay, and there's no wings. This is probably like the easiest eye makeup look of life. The face, I tried to use as many affordable products as I possibly could, and I used this liquid lipstick. I used this liquid lipstick by Dany Long Lasting, and it is such a good formula, you guys. I will link her website down below. I think this is like 120 Rand per liquid lipstick, and this formula is really good. So I highly suggest that you guys check these out. I mean, the packaging is just breathtaking. They have a variety of shades and it lasts a pretty good decent amount of time as well. So I used that new product in today's video for the first time. So yeah, if you guys would like to see how I got this look right here for graduation, or if you guys just want to rock some autumnal vibes, then please keep watching. So I've already primed my skin with my Kiki Makeup Ready Face Primer, and for foundation I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl HD Illuminating Foundation in the shade Bronze. Now I don't believe they have the matte foundation in South Africa just yet, but when they do bring it in, y'all best believe I'm gonna get my hands on it and do a review, so stay tuned. And I'm just gonna blend this foundation out with a damp beauty blending sponge. This foundation is quite dark for me right now, but it's all good. It's gonna cover up any pigmentation and discoloration that I have. For concealer, I'm gonna be using my LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige and just highlighting under my eyes, kind of in like a triangular sort of shape, in the center of my forehead, bridge of my nose. If you have a bulbous nose than I do, then tip of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. For setting powder today, I am going to switch it up on you guys, and I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Banana setting powder, and I'm just gonna use this to bake under my eyes. To highlight my brow bone, I'm first gonna be going in with my SwiitchBeauty SlaysForDays palette and taking the lightest shade in the palette and just popping that on my brow bone, and then switching to my Top Notch palette by SwiitchBeauty and taking this brown transition shade. I'm just going to start dusting this into my crease, and also taking that on my lower lash line, and then going in with this purple shade and the same blending brush, and I'm just going to add some depth on the outer corner of the eye and into the crease as well. Also taking that shade on the lower lash line, and then taking this beautiful matte like burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna pack that all over the lid, and then taking some of that eyeshadow on the lower lash line as well. Taking this beautiful golden shade from the palette, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my inner tear ducts. For mascara, I'm changing it up today, and I'm going in with my I Heart Extreme Mascara from Essence, and I'm just going to be coating my top and bottom lashes. And then also taking my Wet n Wild Kohl pencil. This is in the shade You're Always White, and I'm just going to just apply some of this to open up the eyes. So while my mascara dries, I'm gonna go back onto the face now, and I'm just gonna dust off all of the bake. Okay, so we're gonna go into my LA Girl Spice palette, which I haven't used in forever, and I'm just gonna use that kind of like bronzing slash contour shade to just sort of bronze up my face, add some dimension. And then for blush, I'm just going to be mixing these two shades together to add some color to my cheeks, but not too much. I actually really forgot like how much I loved this blush palette from LA Girl. Now to contour my cheeks and add a little bit more definition, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl pressed powder in the shade Chocolate and just chisel out my cheekbones. Okay, so for the glow, I'm gonna take the highlighter in the Spice palette from LA Girl as well. And I'm just going to put that down. And then I'm gonna be taking my TassyB Limelight powder in the shade Boujee. And I'm going to amplify this glow. Oh my god, you guys. These highlighters are ridiculous. They're so pretty and so blinding. And I'm also going to take some of this and just pop it over my inner corner highlight. I'm going to take a little of this Boujee color as well and hit it right on top of my brow bone. For lips, I'm first going to go in with my Essence lip liner. This is in the shade Going Steady. And for liquid lipstick, I'm going to go in with this Dany Long Lasting lipstick in the shade Deeper. For lashes, I'm going to be using my Wispy Plus by Line Spring. And then to keep the setting spray portion off this tutorial affordable as well, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Fixing Mist. I'm just going to spray some out because otherwise I'm going to be left with white dots. That is pretty much it for this graduation autumnal inspired makeup look. I really hope you guys have enjoyed, and yeah, I think it's a pretty easy look to recreate. Obviously you guys can change up the lip color and all that great stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to slay all day every day with and without makeup, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.